Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the hourly beep on your Casio A100. As you can see here on our home screen, we have a small bell right here that signals the fact that the hourly beep is on. In order to turn it off, we need to arrive at the alarm settings. So I'm going to press the mode button once, and here we are going to arrive at the alarm settings. Now if you press the start button, which is going to be the one on the bottom right corner, you can see that now both the alarm and the hourly beep are activated. So these lines stand for the alarm and the bell for the hourly beep. So both functions are activated. If I press it one more time, both of them are going to be deactivated. Here we have only the alarm, only the hourly beep, both of them, and now both of them are deactivated. So in this position, you can press the mode button. You are going to arrive at your home screen and you can see that no symbol appears on the top right corner of the display. So this means that both the alarm and the hourly beep are now deactivated. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. I'm also going to make a battery replacement tutorial, so make sure to check it out, guys. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, I will see you on the next one.